I'm David Griffiths, CEO of Fiscal Technologies. Fiscal Technologies has been working with accounts payable shared service teams for over 15 years, helping protect their working capital, prevent financial loss, generating cash, and eliminating supply risks. So I'm delighted to be at the conference. We've got a wonderful session, 5 key strategies for navigating risk in accounts payable and finance. We'll cover how the economic landscape has really changed significantly in the last 12 months. Lots of things that have been happening, very impactful for AP teams in 2024. So we'll discuss some of those. We'll talk through how those strategies can facilitate change and transformation while really still increasing the importance of accounts payable and the value that they provide. Strategies have come from our 250 strong customer base and the latest research. And then we'll finish off with some of the things that we at Fiscal can do to help accounts payable teams that you lead or finance teams you lead. And it will be a really good high impact session, and there's a few takeaways as well. So really look forward to seeing you on the 14th of March, 2024. Thank you.